The auto scroll setting will keep the selected cell within the scroll viewport. This is helpful when scrolling with the arrow keys. The auto scroll setting applies to both rows and columns. Disabling auto scroll will prevent the scroll viewport from tracking the selected cell. Disabling auto select will prevent the inspector window from updating as you change rows. With auto select enabled, the inspector and project windows will display the selected object. Tweak the highlight alpha setting to your liking for a brighter or dimmer selection highlight. You can also choose to disable highlighting for rows or columns.